right, welcome back to another unboxing, and this one is the AcePro 2 from Insta360, the white version. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this, and that's the point of this channel mainly, is to unbox things, give you the experience. If you hate the commentary, just hit the mute button. I wouldn't be offended, even though I wouldn't know. So here's the box here. It's co-engineered with Leica 8K AI-powered action cam, 1/1.3 inch CMOS Leica sensor here, dual AI chips for superior image quality, best low light you can get, Active HDR. The AcePro 2 is definitely a fantastic option for a traveling vlogging camera. So this is the camera right here. That is beautiful. Wow, that white just pops. That looks so good. AcePro 2 there. I'll cover on the screen. So this isn't technically it is a screen, but it just kind of displays data. It doesn't show anything else because you flip up your screen. Quick locking system. Oh, this white one too, which is cool. Does it work both ways? It only works, it does work both ways. Okay, that's good. They try to, I think they want you to go this way though, but that's not bad. This right here pops off. This is like a sound muff for your mics, which is really good. You have, I think you have built-in storage, but there's your SD card slot. It's been a while since I've checked. And then your battery goes there, and you have your flip out screen, which can be great for vlogging or getting low shots, being able to see it there. If it's on your bike or something, you can see the shot, or you can even like clip it onto your shirt or something. Like I've used that way, or on the back of my hat to get some POV shots. Here's the battery. Smooth. And they give you this if you didn't want to use this guy. That does pop off, and then this you can set on there instead. So in comparison, you know, oh, you know what? I didn't notice. Yeah, you have this cool, just differently shaped lens. Yeah, that's cool. That's a cool touch. I like that. So I think I like the white one better. I mean, especially for video purposes, it stands out a lot more. This one just looks like every other action camera out there. So there you go, unboxing experience. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.